Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video we'll be talking about ChurchTrac, which is basically church management software for small or medium-sized churches. We'll go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about the ChurchTrac, and also we will check the pricing in the top right corner, as you can see. So, what is ChurchTrac? It's a church management software. Your members can update their own profiles, print giving statements, directories, and more. You can set up text message confirmation and reminders for volunteers and team members. Your team can quickly create a detailed worship outline, attach notes, view files and links, and plan rehearsals. Keep your team on the same page with the detailed worship service outlines. Schedule everyone, including your worship team, greeters, and children workers, which I don't really know if that's the case, but yeah. So it's as I said, made for small, medium size churches. They are providing very nice online support, and you can run it in your web browser, so there's no need to install it. When you check the pricings, it's way nicer than it is for example, church windows. Now you can just choose if you want to be paid yearly or monthly. This price you can see here, it's for the whole year, not for a whole month, which is somehow different from all the other, for example, CRMs or apps, where they are just providing like always a price for a month, but this is a price for a year, so you'll basically save up 2 months. And also how many individuals' names you do need to enter, for example 1000 or unlimited. I mean, if you more than 1000, you better go with unlimited, because it's just $10 more. For free option, we have people screen and core features, includes manage people and families, user accounts and security, free imports and backups, print reports, send email, SMS and phone messages, but those may not be included in your subscription price because they're obviously run through more. And then standard, everything except worship planning, scheduling and accounting. And with Plus, you have basically all the features already unlocked. But yet again, as you can see, even with Plus, it's monthly, it's yearly $170, which is not that much for a small church, and it's really nice. You can see their top features by people, giving, check-in, worship, accounting, events, and church connect. And it's very nice. You can really do almost everything you please in ChurchTrac. Also, you can start straight away. With your church, and you can validate your email address and just go for it. So type your church or ministry name. Let's go with tutorial church. Hopefully it will go along. Your email address is used to set up your account. Don't worry, we will not share your email address with anyone. Okay. Let's go like this and validate email address. We now have to wait for the code. Well, hopefully we'll be able to get it as quickly as possible for this to work, and I believe we have it right here, like this. And your username, let's go with King. Password, let's go like this. Already I really like the experience. I really like the experience because most of the previous apps that we tried, Not contain number, single your username. Ah, yeah, okay. No spaces. And okay. It was really clunky to work around them. And this feels like very nice experience. Very nice. Okay, I don't run a church, so this we won't be filling in. Check one or more boxes below to let us know what features to ChurchTrac you're interested in. Let's go with people management, check-in. And yeah, that's about it. What's your primary role? Let's go with a small group leader of our subscribers. Continue. Yes, I agree, and I'm not a robot. And we are there, boys and girls. Let's check it out. Let's check all the features, the visibility, what we can do inside of it. You see they are providing a 30 days trial, which is basically awesome. You can see total people, givings this week and giving last week. Those are all the information already provided by ChurchTrac. And you have verse of the day. You have the people families, and you can basically check your members like this, and who is contributor. You can check the givings, and they offer $42, for example, and processes. It's very easy, as you can see, to basically go and plan. For example, we can create for next Sunday. We can go with a mass, all-day event, location. Let's go with this one and add this event. And now you see that we have an event. We have our we have people and families. They will be able to see it. We can print it, as you can see, but I don't have connected printer to this one. And we can also show it. We can go next week and many more. We have worship scheduling, but its customer is not available, which is basically something happened in here. Let's try to relog if that's something. Yeah, they have an outage. Yeah, we'll get to it later, or we'll try to create another video about all the events that we can create with ChurchTrac. Other than that, guys, if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. We will try to answer them. So far, for me, I like ChurchTrac more than, for example, Church Windows. It's way easier to operate and navigate. You can ask very easily for a free demo that you can run and find out if you like the way how they approach with the UI, with all the planning, all the family stuff. You can track the givings and stuff like that. So I think overall this is a winner for me. As I said before, if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, boys and girls, and see you in the next one. Until then, have a great and blessed day. See you soon.